Hi, this is Tony Holbrook, Vice President of Operations for NationsGuard. Let me tell you a little bit about our NationsGuard team. Our claims center, these claims guys are dealership personnel. They are dealership technicians, and not just dealership technicians, they are master technicians. We have BMW Master Techs, Honda Master Techs, GM Master Techs, ASC Certified Master Techs, Diesel Certified, EV Certified. We have real technicians in our claims center. Why is that important? Because when claims are called in, sometimes techs misdiagnose. And so rather than wasting money throwing at parts at cars, our techs help them when there's an improper diagnosis and help them get on the right track and the proper way to diagnose the problem they're calling in. So great team in our claims department, experienced dealership personnel. Our customer service team, the same, dealership personnel. These are experienced dealership people, so they're empathetic and understand what your dealership personnel is going through when they are called. They are all Customer Service Institute certified. Not only is our customer care team certified by the CSA, our claims team members are certified by the CSA. We're focused on doing the best job we can to get the dealership personnel back to work. We understand what they're going through because we are dealers. So reach out to us here at NationsGuard so we can tell you more about our team.